Hi, and welcome back to another Arlec how-to. Today, I'll be showing you how to set up the plug-in wireless door chime. In the packaging, you will find the chime unit, a push-button remote, and mounting items. Now to move on to some of the features, this product has a 240 volt power supply and a speaker on the back for enhanced audio. The remote is rated to IP55, meaning it is weatherproof. Now, to move on to how to set it up, simply remove the tab from the remote, and now simply plug the chime unit into a power point, like so, and switch it on. Once you hear the beep sound, the unit is on, and now your remote is ready to pair. Simply push the button, and the chime sound will sound. And now the remote is paired. You can connect up to 4 remotes to this one chime unit. To connect to a second one, simply hold the code button on the side of the chime unit until you hear a beep sound. This means the remote is ready to pair. Simply push the button and you will hear a chime sound. That means your second remote has also been paired. You are also able to connect multiple chime units to be controlled by one remote. To do this, simply plug the second unit into power, and for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll be using a power board. Turn the second chime unit on, and you will hear the beep sound. Then, press the button on the remote, and both will make a sound. That means that the 2 units are connected to the same remote. Now, this unit also has 8 different chime tones. To simply change the tones, use a screwdriver to open the back panel of the remote. There is a black button located here, and press this button. It will cycle through the different chime sounds. This unit has a range of 100 meters when not obstructed by any objects. It can also be wall mounted using this double-sided sticky tape or these anchors and screws. For any further questions or assistance, please visit our website or refer to the contact details at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.